8th standard max unit 1 numbers. Example 1.31. Simplify square root of 2 7 by 9 and second Roman root of 1 9 by 16. Okay, so we take first one. So first one, two 7 by 9. So here there is a mixed fraction. Okay, we want to convert into normal fraction method. So here we multiply 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 7 25. 25 by 9. So we can write as 25 as 5 square and 9 as 3 square. Okay, so this is square root of 5 square value is 5 and square root of 3 square value is 3. Therefore, the answer is 5 by 3. Okay, next go to the second sum. Nine by 6. So here also same method, cross and addition. Here multiplication, here addition. 1 6 are 6. 16. 1 16 are 16. And 16 plus 9 is 25. So square root of 25 by 16 equal to 25 can written as 5 square and 16 written as 4 square. So root 5 square value 5 and root 4 square value is 4. So this is the required answer. So this is example 1.13. So simplify square root of 2 and 7 by 9, square root of 1 9 by 16. Here we want to change mixed fraction into normal fraction. So here multiplication, so 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 25 by 9. So 25 can written as 5 square, 9 as written as 3 square. So 5 square is 5, 3 square is 3. Okay, this is the answer. Next second Roman 1 9 by 16. Here also 1 16s are 16. 16 plus 9 is here 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So square root of 25 by 16. So root 25 is root 5 square. 16 is 4 square. So root 5 square value 5. Root 4 square value is 4. Okay. So this is a example 1.31. Next topic, approximating square root. Approximating square root. Consider root 40, 6 and 7. Arrange in ascending order. So ascending order. So before that we want to find where is located as root 40. Okay, so if we square the numbers we get square of root 40 value is 40. Okay, and 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. So we will arrange that in ascending order. 36 squaring. If we squaring we get this answer. So 36 will come first because it's ascending order, smaller to bigger number. 36 next 40 next to 49. Okay, 36 is 6 square, 40 and 49 is 7 square. Okay, so if you take square root, take square root. If we take square root what will happen? Square root of 6 square is less than square root of 40 is less than square root of 7 square. So square root cancel, so what will come? 6 less than root 40 is less than 7. So root 40 in between 6 and 7, root 40 in between 6 and 7. So this is called approximating square root. So square root value எந்த approximate எந்த நம்பர்ஸ்க்குள்ள வரும் செக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் approximating square root. ஸோ அது நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண மெத்தட் பார்த்தோம். ஆக்சுவலாக ரூட் 40னா ரூட் 40க்கு வந்து முன்னாடி எந்த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் வரும், பின்னாடி எந்த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் வரும்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 1, 2 ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 4, 3 ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 9, 4 ஸ்கொயர் 16, 5 ஸ்கொயர் 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So in between 36 and 49, so root 40 in between 36 and 49, so 36 and 49, so this is called approximating square root. Okay, so root 36, root 49, so root 36 6, root 40 and less than 7. So this method is called approximating square root. Okay, this is definition in your book before example exercise sums, after example sums, before exercise sum. Okay, cubes and cube roots. Cube and cube roots, we already saw square and square roots. Okay, so here we are going to see cube and cube roots. Okay, so இங்க வந்து square சொல்லும். Suppose this is n, this is called n square, this is n, this is called n square. Similarly, n power you should write 3, it's called cube. If cube means n power 3. Okay, it's called cube. So cube, normally cube has 6 faces, normal cube shape. So this is cube. So this side 1, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, totally 6 side is there. Okay, cube. Next, geometrical representations. So already we saw that this geometrical representation for square. Here we are going to see cube. Okay, so first geometrical representation, there is only one cube is there. So one cube, each side is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1 into 1. The rotation is 1 cube. So 1 cube value is 1, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Next 2 cube. If 6 faces have 2 sides, 2 cubes, so it becomes 2 into 2 into 2. So it's 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So like that. So one thing is given Ramanujam number. So Ramanujam number is, mathematician Ramanujam find that number. Once the Professor R.D. went to see Ramanujam when he was ill, and Professor R.D. riding a taxi cab number 1729. So he asked unfavorable number. He said, Professor R.D. said it's unfavorable number, but Ramanujam replied, so it's very interesting number, because in fact the smallest number expressible as a sum of 2 cubes, the smallest number, 1 cube 12 cube, ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 1729. அதே போல் 10 cube 9 cube, It means 12 into 12 into 12 in 12 plus 1 cube 1. So 12 12 12 is 1728 plus 1 is 1729. That means 1729. Okay. So next we are going to, this is called Ramanujan number. So next properties of cube numbers. Properties of cubes of numbers. The cube of positive number is positive. So positive number cube பண்ணும்போது positive தான் வரும். But in square root, if you square a positive number, we get positive. But if you square a negative number, it becomes positive. Example, minus 2 into minus 2 is minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. But in cube, cube of positive number is positive, cube of negative number is negative. The given example. Okay, if cube of even number is also even number, the cube of odd number is odd number. Okay, it's very easy to remember. The positive cube is positive, negative cube is negative, even number cube is even, odd number cube is odd. Okay, natural numbers ends with 0 1 4 5 6 9. It cubes also ends with 0 1 4 5 6 9. So 0, but squares ku வந்து different வரும். But இங்க cube ல வந்து 0 இருந்தா 0, 1 cube பண்ணும்போது 1, 4 cube பண்ணும்போது 4, 5 cube பண்ணும்போது 5, 6 cube பண்ணும்போது 6, 9 cube பண்ணும்போது 9. Okay, அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, so next, natural number ends with 2 or 8, cube ends with 8 or 2. 2 க்கு வந்து 8 வரும், 8 இருந்தால் 2 வரும். cube பண்ணும்போது 1 digit number. Example, 12 cube is 1728. 1 digit number is 8. So 8 இருக்கும்போது இங்கே 2. Okay, so these are the conditions, these are the properties. If a natural number ends with 3 7, the cube ends with 7 or 3. 3 7 7 3. Okay, the sum of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. Okay, so இப்போ cube பண்ணும்போது natural numbers லைனா 1ல இருந்து எத்தனை நம்பரை நம்ம என்ன cube பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு வந்து எப்படி ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குன்னா 3 cube. இது எதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குன்னா, இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அது ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. So 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 27 36. So இங்கே பாருங்கள், 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, so 36. Okay, so next cube root, square root pola cube root. Cube root is denoted as, okay, this is denoted for cube root. Cubic root of x, cubic root of x, cubic root of x. You should write cube in the corner of the square root. Okay, corner. This is the correct notation. Or another notation is x power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3. Okay, so next here cube, here cube and cube roots. 1 cube root is 1, 8 cube root is 2, because 2 cube is 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 27 cubic root. Cubic root of 27 is 3, cubic root of 64 is 4, or 4 cube is 64. எப்படியாவது எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, this is called cubic table, cube root table. Okay, cube number value is given and cube root value also given up to 16. Okay, it's a very important table, you should memorize that. Okay, see that in this sum 1.32 is 400 a perfect cube number or not. Okay, so how to find its perfect cube number or not, we already used prime factorization method. Okay, same method. Here we are going to find out 400. So 200, again 200, 250, 25, 5. So 400 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so 400 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So inge perfect cube வந்துருச்சு நமக்கு. பட் இங்கே ஒரு 5க்கும் ட்ரிப்ளெட்ஸ் இல்லை. ட்ரிப்ளெட்ஸ்னால் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டில் பேர் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் பார்த்துக்கோ. 2 into 2, 5 into 5 இப்படி இருக்கும். ஸோ இதை பேர் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து என்னென்னா ட்ரிப்ளெட்ஸ் 3 நம்பர்ஸை பேர் பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா, 3 நம்பர்ஸை பேர் பண்ணோம். ஸோ 3 நம்பர்ஸை எப்படி பேர் பண்ணலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். இங்கே ஒரே ஒரு 2 மட்டும் தான் 3 நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. பேலன்ஸ் இங்கே 5க்கு ஒரு பேர் இல்லை, 2க்கு வந்து 2 பேர்ஸும் இல்லை. ஸோ இட்ஸ் நாட் ஏ பர்ஃபெக்ட் கியூப். ஓகே, 2 is 1 more 5. Okay, we need 2 more 2. Only 1 2 is there, we need 2 more 2. It makes triplet. And 1 more 5, it makes triplet. Therefore 400, it's not perfect cube number. Okay, perfect cube number. It's very important question.